Afton.
And can you tell me about the fire truck?
Yeah.
Is this a pumper truck?
No, it's an airport one.
And what does it have? What features does the airport truck have?
It's just, well, since there has all this water stuff here, that's where the tank is. The tank is right here.
Oh, the tank is in there in the middle.
Yeah, but there's not really an actual tank in there. They didn't put any real tank in. Oh, but this is where the tank is. It has an opening on each side.
Can you show me the inside?
It has engine on this side. Some tool storage here. Two minifigs already in there.
The minifigures are already in there?
Yeah, and another one of those pieces is the same other piece used here. So they've got some controls. This is to control gauge the water. Start some big water. Here's the same fire piece, only it's a different color. And it has this in the set. It's the same piece used for the airplanes, but you can stick fire in it because it has these holes in it, and that's where fire would fit. Can't fit fire in here, but you have to put on a piece. It's just hollowed back here.
Gotcha, it's hollow.
Yeah, so nothing filled in back. Oh, it turns. And this maybe old one or the next one that's the same piece used for the airplanes. And as this fire over here, if this that sort of looks like wings on it, you can use these pieces on a control tower. Upside down, you can use them for other stuff. They're just attached from the top. There's nothing to stick on here. And the hose, did the same piece used for all the hoses. And there's this little steering wheel piece used here. It was missing the other piece, like these. I had to use the brown piece here. And on the bottom, there's nothing on the bottom. And just some colors and stuff.
And what's in the back compartments?
An engine.
Oh.
It's like a race car engine here. But then the rest is, and that whole thing is an engine. And a little level here for grill pieces. And this piece isn't on all the way, and that can happen easily because it's not hatched and everywhere. It's just a no. These pieces are what holds it on. They're right by the wheels. They're supposed to go on each side. And it's just hollow here. If you stick something back, it's usually to get it lost somewhere back. See, you can see the tires there, or a little bit of the tires. And there's some blue lights here, blue lights all over it. Some lower lights here, and more, and the wheel grill. And one piece of fire that's a different color. And this is that's from the bottom. They can just come out easily. And this hose piece is just a tile piece with a hole in it. It all comes out easily, but these lights are stacked up to make them that tall. So I'll just attach in here. This can rotate in. Wish you can fit on back here, but it's really to be like that when it's drying, and the way it's going in. Just like that when it's drying, then pulls up to this burn and then rotates. And then the main figures don't really have to get out to control that. They can just control it from the inside. Then we'll just go out quickly. Hooks and heel has its own piece of wood. Has a small piece of wood for the smaller hose. And this tool compartment, this has the other end of the nozzle. And you don't think that this piece is supposed to be on. The air mask just attaches or like this. It looks like that. Goes up. You have to take off the heads to fit this on. And can fit it in like that. And put this deal like that. Then this storage here. That doesn't really work if you do it like that. Can get it right. Work usually here with these boxes. Those also brown ones to be like wooden box. It comes with the brown ones come with usually a lot with the Arctic sets. I take a few tries to do it in the right. Not all these stickers here, no stickers here, but this is a sticker. And this is the print. That's not a sticker. This 95, it's 95 hard appointment. And can't fit many figures on the air. So you can stack stuff up on it. You got more storage space on the back with some not really much to solid and an axe. Not really much you'll have to break though.
Mm-hmm. Well, that is a pretty thorough review of that truck.
That's it. That it can do, I think.
What would you like to review next time?
Maybe my fire station.
This one?
Yeah. Should we do a review on it now?
Yeah, we'll start on that next time.
I want to start on it now.
Sounds good. Can you say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.